Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I would like to presenting my blog e-commerce website for the first IT project in the second semester. So currently many online platforms already exist in Indonesia, such as Gramedia, Replus, and others. But why I built another one? So actually, I built this website because I cannot think again for the idea for this account. So I just book as the class option. So most people interact with e-commerce only as a user. They purchase, browse, claim, and others, but they do not understand how the system actually works behind the interface. So I realized that learning program theory isn't enough. So in this project, I built a complete system, almost complete system that simulates real world digital transaction. Uh, so e-commerce website is one of the most complete digital system because it integrates product management, database structure, user interface, user interaction, card logic, and others. So that is the reason I made this website. And also for the solution in that why is to make this project is it can simulate how a real digital transaction system work from the backend. So this project provides a structured product catalog, detailed book information, card management system, database integration, and other things. Instead of just displaying static information, the system processes the action dynamically. So when the user adds a book to the cart, the system stores the data. When the transaction is made, the system update accordingly. And how to use the site? I will show the demonstration. So this is the home page in this PyFire. As you can see, uh, in the filter books, you can search by genre like fiction, non-fiction, history, science, technology, biography, and others. And then if you want to search the name of the book, you can just type in here. And if you scroll down, you can see a little bit of books detail, like the title, the price, the writer, and also the genre. And then if you click the detail button, uh, it will be more complete information for the book. And then if you scroll down, there's also a similar books that the genre is the same as the books that we choose. And then there's also a card logic, and if you click this card button, it will be put in this card page. And if you want to delete one of the books that you already put in the cart, you can just click this and like that. So in here you can see there's also a checkout button, but it won't work. It can work because I make the transaction flow. So that's how you use the website. Continue to the presentation. In this project, I have a few challenges. So the first challenge was the database integration, ensuring that the product data could be stored, retrieved, and displayed correctly required a careful configuration. And then the second one is the backend logic. I need to understand how the backend works and how to make the front end connect to the back end, and then how the back end connect to the front end. There's also technical errors such as incorrect database connection, syntax mistakes, debugging, unclear error message, and other things. However, each problem forced me to analyze systematically. Like, if I don't know the cause, I need to find where's the error, and I need to fix it. So through the debugging and iterative improvement, I was able to solve this issue. And for the conclusion is this book is e-commerce is not just a school assignment, but also I learned how in this project I learned how different components of the website development connect into a complete architecture. Like I said last time, how to make the front end and the back end connect. And then I also learned that building technology is not about writing code, but also it's about designing structured system, understanding data flow, and solving problem logically. So this project helped me to move from simply learning programming from front end, but also from the back end. I can learn the concept to build a functional system like this. So thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.